Hey, what's good, family? Today we back in the stew. Y'all already see the vibes. Yeah. We back with another video. Yo, leave a like on this one. Subscribe to the channel. Y'all already know the vibe. I'm not even gonna waste no time. Today we got some cool ass shorts to show y'all. Listen, man, I know it's about to be summer out here, and I know there's a whole free the nip community and shit. We out here about to free the tip. Got some cool ass shorts to show y'all, and I don't really want to waste too much time. Shout out to Kinetic Kings for hooking it up with this package. Major shout out to y'all for showing love. The real OGs, I do have a promo code which will be on the screen if y'all want to get any of these. Their better shorts do stay sold out. They restock them here and there, but honestly, these shits go crazy, bro. Off the rip, we got the little poly bags covering the shorts, so that's already a plus. We got 4 pairs to show y'all. These are probably the ones I'm most excited for. These are the Wonders shorts. Low-key, I hit bro up like, yo, y'all got something that's not on the website for me? These shits go crazy, bro. It's like the 7 wonders of the world on a pair of shorts, bruh. That's fire, and it looks tasteful. It's not on some shit where it looks like it's all over the place. It's crazy because I literally came back from Orlando and I went to Epcot, so these would have been perfect, bro. Y'all will be seeing a vlog on that soon, by the way. Big Ben, if I'm not mistaken. I might be all fucked up with these, but this is the Cristo Monument. Hey, I'm not even gonna try. Isn't this Abu Dhabi, bruh? I know this is Giza. I'm not even gonna keep going, bro. I'm just gonna make myself look terrible. Look at these shorts, bro. Come on. The Kinetic at the bottom is sewn on, by the way. These are like basketball shorts on crack at a way more affordable price. Like, these go crazy. Come on, bro. Where we going for the summer? These bitches go hard, like that ass. Perfect summer short. The right colors for summer. You feel me? A little bit of blue, a little bit of pink. I love the height on these as well. It's not too low, not too high. You could sag them a little bit if need be. Got your 2 little side pockets. You don't need nothing else, bro. These right here was another one of my favorites. This is the Don family pair. It's this black and white Scarface Godfather vibe. Rest in peace to Ray Liotta from Godfather. It's tough, but these shorts are also tough. These were honestly one of the pairs of shorts on the website that I wanted to have. Has Al Pacino. Like, bro, these go crazy. All over print is insane too. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I gotta try these on. I love the black and white theme on it. I feel like if this picture had color, it would just look too much. I would honestly wear them with like a little plain shirt. Nothing too crazy. Let the pants do the talking type beat. If y'all interested in any of these pieces, Kinetic Kings, the plug, Low-key, I do have a promo code for y'all. It's pretty affordable, I'm not gonna lie. Do have that Kinetic sewn in at the bottom too. As y'all can see with these shorts, I tried to keep it a little bit more vibrant. These are summer shorts at the end of the day, so I'm not trying to be too dull. I want more color. This one right here is one of the ones that I said, yo, these are more simplistic, and I would actually try to freak these out, like out. You know what I'm saying? These stood out to me as well. I love this khaki color that they had, almost like a mocha. I don't know if I'm tripping, but low-key, I feel like you could use these as water shorts. It's almost like this mocha color. On camera, it gives like a more brown. In person, is way more muted. I don't know why the camera's doing that to it. It's like a gloss coming off the camera. It's weird, bro. Olive brown type color. I feel like these are clean. These do have side pockets, and they also do got a back pocket, which, feel me, does come in clutch. I'm gonna try these on real quick. It's alright. It's alright. Honestly, these ain't even that bad. Come on, these go hard, bro. Kinetic embroidered right here. Low-key, these are solid for the summer. They had a couple colorways of these as well. It has almost like a basketball lining on the inside, but they're mad soft. I'm gonna need all the colors of these. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. These shits go so hard. I feel like I don't got shit on, but I got some shit on. You feel what I'm saying? I don't even know how to explain it, bro. Last up, they sent me the Rebirth fundamental shorts. These are in a size large. Hopefully they fit me good, but this was another one of the shorts that I was like, yo, these go crazy, bro. Like, come on. They do have their own specialized tags as well with the hang tag. These do have like this almost river flowing Japanese vibe to it. I'm fucking with these, bro. Has that moon on the back. I didn't even see the back of these. I just knew that the all over print was gonna be sexy, so I had to get them. You got that little bit of purple pink hints. You could low-key wear these with everything. No bullshit. I'm feeling these, bro. I feel like every pair of shorts that they sent me is a pair that I'm gonna be excited to wear. It's not just the same shit that you see every day. Given you see shorts in color every day, this material, bro, like I feel like I could sleep in these bitches, go in the pool in these bitches, and sit on the couch in these bitches, and it's gonna be good either way. These, on the other hand, I'ma try them for y'all. Y'all gonna let me know what you think about these on body. I feel like they go crazy. I just need to try them on. As expected, these shits go crazy, bro. Come on, bro. Y'all feeling the vibes yet? These shits go so hard. Honestly, this might be my favorite pair, but then again, fire, fire, fire. I feel like these shits got a lot of flair to it, bro. You got this brown pair, nasty. You got the Mafioso joints, these is nasty. Come on. The Statue of Liberty on there, come on, bro. Fire, fire. I got no other words to express the vibes, bro. If y'all enjoyed this video, leave a like on it down below. I'm trying to tell y'all, Kinetic Kings got some pretty cool shorts. If y'all want to see some other brands that I've been fucking with, leave a like on this video, subscribe, and let me know down below that you want some more low-key brand videos, and that's exactly what I'll bring you, bro. There's gonna be a lot more heat coming, so stay tuned, subscribe. Road to 20K, y'all already know. Hopefully y'all had a great day today. Honestly, I've been chilling, you feel me, on my little positive vibe, trying to get some shit done. You go and do the same. Don't waste no time. Like low-key earlier, I was slacking, bro. I was literally just sitting down doing nothing, procrastinate, but I had to get my ass up because we got some shit to reach, and we only gonna reach it if we actually walking towards it. But hey, I'm gonna catch y'all, bro. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.